Hey guys, it's Shayman Crypto. So this vid is gonna be a little bit different. Just a small vid. And I want to talk about just kind of, we've been through these different crypto cycles and everything. And I want to basically, discuss the topic of like, if you are in crypto and you're struggling in crypto, I mean, these are probably some reasons why, you probably suck at being successful in it. You know, Number one is that when you do when you do make your purchasing selections in crypto, I mean, it's kind of like, yo, you got to do your research on one, but then also too is, I mean, you got to look at tried and proven commodities or digital assets, right? I mean, I know it's all fun picking these really small, low cap altcoins and stuff like that, but I mean, you also want to make sure that you have in your portfolio something that is tried and proven. You always want to have something, in my opinion, at least something in the top 10. If it's a combination of alts, but then you have the key players and you have some in Bitcoin and some in ETH, cool. So that's one aspect to look at it as well. Secondly, two is attitude, right? When the markets are down, you FUD out, you sell, you panic sell, you get nervous. Okay, you don't trust the positions that you put in. You don't trust it possibly rebounding, but that could be a part of you probably picking a bunch of shit coins, hoping to moon, and they just flatline. They go dead, right? And if you do have some coins in the top players that are going down, um, you know, you either do nothing or, you dollar cost average DCA, right? I mean, these are just some of the fundamental things that I've seen. Okay, it is not financial advice. You do what you want to do ultimately, but just some of the things that I've just seen work. And these are like more common sense things. I think honestly at this point, I think many people, if you're watching this video, you've probably seen, you've been in crypto, you've been monitoring crypto for the last few years. I mean, it's pretty much the same. I mean, regardless of the news and the trends, it's always, buy, hold, wait, and then, you sell at the appropriate time you deem fit. But you don't ride it all the way to the top, then ride it all the way to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And then secondly is just like your mindset, or thirdly, your mindset, right? Like you can't have a pessimistic attitude all the time, when things are down. Again, it goes back to either DCA, do nothing, wait, and be patient, right? Having patience in the space is really important. Just trying to make quick money can get you screwed up. It's very rare that you can make quick money in this space. You can get wrecked. Okay, it's happened to me personally. So a lot of these things, I'm speaking from experience. You know, and after the last couple bull markets, it's just kind of like, what the best thing to do is put your money in proven commodities, and then also too is DCA during the down market, and don't FUD out on certain coins that kind of flatline, or you ride it, or you wait for an uptick, and then you move that over into something more assurable, like in the top 10 alts, the top 15, coins in general, right? Just my take. It's not financial advice. You ultimately, you're gonna make the decisions. You're gonna do your own research, and you can allocate your capital how you want to. But those are just some of the key things that I've realized, like, it should be reiterated. You know what I'm saying? The market, Bitcoin, the crypto market, Bitcoin, all that stuff is fun. It's great when the things are mooning and rocking it up, but also too in moment of stagnation in the space, not being overexposed in too much altcoins, being patient, dollar cost averaging, having a healthy mindset, regardless of how the market is moving. You want to be even killed over time, right? And then also too is like, yeah, I mean, over time, yeah, you can be successful over time because you've accumulated your bags. Either you dollar cost average, or you put a position and you wait and you be patient. When the moment you lose, the moment you sell, you and had a negative, it's a loss. You know what I'm saying? It's a loss for life. You're always gonna be wanting to be chasing back those potential gains, or your initial investment. That if you didn't wait it out, then you're screwed. You know what I'm saying? So just my little quick advice on that, man. Again, not financial advice, but just kind of advice on terms of mindset, things you should be looking for. But ultimately, do your own research. Pay attention to the market trends. Okay, pay attention to your portfolio diversity, and go from there. And try to make the wise decisions, while also keeping an even temperament. Anyways, guys, Shayman Crypto out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Later.